Hi everybody, welcome to the Naviforce channel. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of the new women's watch. The model number is the NF5025. Without further ado, let's start. See, here the white box is very nice and delicate. It's very suitable for being a gift choice. Now let me open it. Inside the box there is the instruction manual and the guarantee card. Okay, this is the watch that we will unbox today. NF5025 is a Quartz standard watch using a Japanese quartz movement. First, as usual, first look at the back. From the back side, you can see the model number and the material of the back, that is the stainless steel material and the professional waterproof for 3 ATM. Okay, this watch makes use of the hardened mirror glass, so it has high transparency and very durable to use and scratch resistant. You can see the parameter at the upper right screen. Pay attention that here the case diameter of this watch is 36mm and the thickness is 8.3mm. Okay, the total length of this watch is 225mm. Making use of stainless steel strap with floating buckle. It is very convenient and comfortable to wear. This watch is a new design for office ladies. Very easy. Okay, now see more details of this watch. Featuring a cool and refined metal bracelet with bright luster and sword-shaped hands here. This watch is quite suitable for office ladies, allowing a clean aura to radiate from inside out. Matched with a convenient folding buckle, this watch creates a modest glamour. Now let's see the colors, all the color scheme of this model. As you can see, here are 5 colors of this model. This one is rose gold gray. And this one is gold green, very shiny, and the next one is rose gold white. is versatile and elegant. And next one is rose gold blue. Very beautiful. And the last one color quite special is the silver black. Very cool and sassy sense. Okay, that's all unboxing content of NF5025 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.